On September 8, 2023, at 22.11 UTC, strong tremor of size 6.8 struck Morocco at 18.5 kilometers profundity. The focal point was in the high Mapbook Mountains, 71 kilometers, 44 miles southwest of Marrakesh. Marrakesh, with a populace of 840,000 occupants, is most influenced city. As per media, a few houses have fallen and other structure were accounted for with primary harm. The epicentral region isn't thickly populated. As of 12 a.m., as indicated by public media, the loss of life has arrived at no less than 820, and this figure is probably going to increment throughout the day. In the immediate aftermath, Moroccan authorities and emergency services launched swift response efforts. Rescue teams from neighboring regions rushed to the affected areas, providing critical assistance to those in need. The earthquake left a trail of destruction, causing buildings to collapse, roads to become impassable, and vital infrastructure to suffer extensive damage. The human toll was devastating, with lives lost and many more injured. As Morocco grapples with the aftermath of this earthquake, we're reminded of the indomitable spirit of the Moroccan people. In the face of adversity, they have united to rebuild their lives and communities. Our thoughts and hearts go out to all those affected, and we stand with Morocco as they work towards recovery and restoration.